Hey guys, welcome to my TikTok Revolution review. My name is Keiron Hogg, and in this TikTok Revolution review, we're going to go through the members area and we're going to learn why this product can help you go viral. Not only that, how you can get endorsements once you go viral through TikTok, and also they have a system where you're able to show you how you can monetize, so how you can make money through commissions. Plus, I've got loads of awesome bonuses that you want to stick around for till the end.
Oh yeah!
That's right. So let's not waste any time. I'll see you on the other side. Welcome back, guys. Thank you for being here. My name is Keiron. This is my channel where I do digital product reviews and also show you various ways to make money online. All right, TikTok Revolution is going live on Thursday, June 8th at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time. It's got a front end of $11, and it is being launched by my friend Max Gerstenmaier and his business partner, James Renouf. So let me take you to my bonus page here. Now, this is all real, provable stuff that Max has done. Max has done very well with TikTok. He has over 1.5 million views on TikTok. He's got a case study where he shows you how he got over 1,000 plus followers in a night and how he's made some very good money in the last short time. This is my bonus page. So you've got 4 days and 4.5 days basically to collect all of these bonuses. So plenty of time. This is a welcome and basically a summary of what the product is by James and Max. I'm going to leave this down in my bonus page, which is in the description down here. So guys, we're just going to go through a little bit of the main points here about TikTok Revolution. I'm going to take you over to the members area. We're going to look at each of the modules and the videos. Then I'm going to take you to my bonuses, quickly jump over to the sales page, talk about the price, and then have a conclusion. All right, so guys, why TikTok? Okay, it's got over a billion, it's been viewed over a billion times a day. It's got over a billion active users. Consumers spend over $2.5 billion a year. And 37% of people purchase something through the app. And it keeps growing. Now, why TikTok Revolution? So they say we have the proof to back up that their product and their training works. It's about getting the views and turning that into money. They say it's simple and you become the middle person in the traffic, okay, in the transaction. And basically, just with your finger, you can get paid. So let me take you over now to the members area. This is James. So in the dash here, we've got all of the different modules with the lessons inside. Access to intermediate training right here. That will be the upsell and the login and the logout there. Okay, so register for a special one-time event. You can do that right here. You can also subscribe to Max's channel and James's YouTube channel as well. And don't miss our TikTok Revolution OTOs. So I can quickly take you through some of these in just a moment. Okay, but first of all, they're just going to welcome you. Going to give you a brief overview why TikTok. They're going to go into a little bit more detail about what I just talked about in the bonus page. How to create an account, where you create your account, and finding a niche. Okay, and then they're going to look at how to create a professional profile picture, your bio, which can be quite important as well, and Q&As. All right, now your first video. So how long should your video be? So there is a sweet spot in the TikTok algorithm where you can get more engagement if you find it. And the same thing with trending sounds. If you find a viral song that is quite hot, the algorithm will also shoot that out to more. Hashtags, how often to post, again, when to post, call to actions, different video styles, theme pages, and deleting TikTok videos. So guys, when I went on my own and tried creating my own TikTok account, I did a lot of things wrong. I went on YouTube, I found a lot of little pieces of information here and there, but if you have a steady training, kind of like what these guys are doing, you're going to be in far better hands. I've gone through about 5 different accounts, either by getting flagged, getting guidelines, restrictions, being shadow banned, and completely banned on one of my accounts. So little bit of proper education can really save you a lot of frustration and headache, which I can testify to. Okay. Now, guys, the viral formula. So this is the secret sauce that where has made Max go viral and get a lot of commissions at the same time. Piggybacking, how to piggyback, engagement, how to pin your videos, sending people to your TikTok bio, and this is a case study showing you proof that what Max has been saying is true. He did get 1,000 plus followers, I think maybe more than one night as well. Okay, and this is cool. This is a coaching session that is about a half an hour tutorial of Max and James showing you step by step how you become the middleman, how you bring your leads to a product that you don't have to create. It doesn't cost you anything. You are just basically the concierge. You're opening the door for the nightclub, you're letting the patrons in, and you're getting a piece of that profit. All right, so let me take you now to, let me take you to the intermediate training here. Okay, guys, so here is just a bit of a video welcome. So if you wanted 10 times your TikTok revolution, then watch this video. You're going to get 10 times the results. 1,000 followers hack. Introduction of a crazy other source of millions of views. One-click trick for massive sales. How to exploit giving away free products. Live case study. We show you the results. We expose the biggest mistake people make leaving money on the table, and their bonus content as well. Okay, so you can check that out. And here is the advanced training to join now. Okay, so this one, they're going to show you specific accounts to model. They take the proven content and blow up your earnings. Software to automate the majority of the process. Paid promo case study, how to crush piggybacking, and more videos from these two. Okay, so that is the OTO number 2. And the reseller rights, if you want to be able to sell this as your own and make 100% of the commission on the whole funnel, then this is what you would want to do right there. And the done for you exclusive branded super funnel upgrade. Okay. And the James and Max done for you mastermind. So what is that? This is, I think, part of a group that you're going to gain access to. So 5 additional done for you high converting offers to promote. You can try it for only $1. So this might be a subscription based system. Okay, I'm not quite sure, but once you go in, after you decide if you want to purchase it, then you can go in and check this out. Okay, I don't have the prices for these, but they will be inside. I don't want to waste all your time watching the prices. You can check that out on your own. Okay, let me take you now to my bonuses. Now, the first one, guys, is a way that you can use your phone to be your ATM. Just the step-by-step training in here and this video again, so you can just watch it and then you can implement those strategies all for free. This one is a recording I made on showing you a very simple way on how to build your email list. Okay, as they do say, you want to have a big email list, money's in the list, etc. This is an easy way that you can do that. And guys, another video, this is a Google Chrome extension showing you how you can use Instagram and Pinterest. This will follow the people who are following the gurus, the top tier people in your niche, in the make money online niche, or whatever niche that you are choosing to follow. Then you can follow those people and they're going to say, oh, who's this person? And you can actually get a lot of engagement, potentially leads and commissions from that too. This is a way that you can make money with crypto, but without having to invest any of the money yourself. Doesn't matter what the price is as at that time as well. So people have made 300 and 500 daily as a way of doing this. I'm giving this to you for free. This is my own product. This is Testorama. Make $10 in 10 minutes. This is one of the easiest ways that you're going to be able to make money online. It doesn't matter where you live, what your experience is, who you are, how old you are, etc. You'll be able to make money with this, okay? And it's free. All you have to do is show me your proof of purchase, and I will happily send you the free coupon code that you can get it on Warrior Plus for free. And this one, guys, is my mega bonus bundle, 270 bonuses for free.
Awesome. Yes.
That's right. and you'll be able to access all of Max's and James's bonuses as well, guys. So to get those, what you're going to do, you're going to click on any of these buttons in here, which are just part of my bonus page, and it's going to take you to the sales page, which I will take you to in just a moment. Click on the button to access TikTok Revolution, and then you will go, it will take you to Warrior Plus. Click on that blue button right there. It's going to take you over to my bonuses that are waiting for you. So if I just click on my mega bonus bundle, you're going to see 270 bonuses that have virtually everything that you need. So it's got how to make money by organically, how to make money with paid ads. So for example, it's going to show you how you can monetize a YouTube channel, how to do SEO, how to use Instagram, and there's even TikTok in here, Pinterest, and Reddit. Also, if you want to go the paid route, there's also going to be Facebook ads, Google ads, Bing ads, YouTube ads. If you want to, there's videos in here, video training, PDF. If you want to create your own website, if you want to do blogging, email tutorials, WordPress plugins, Shopify if you want to create your own clothing brand, your own branding, real estate, Amazon affiliate, and it just keeps going on and on. So that is my big bonus that I'm giving away for you. Okay. And next one, guys, let's go jump over now to the sales page. So this isn't a very big sales page, which is kind of refreshing. All right, so a lot of this stuff I'm not going to spend too much time on, but this is just some proof that Max does know what he's talking about. All of these have gone viral. This is that same video that is in my bonus page. It's also here. You can watch that. We have some financial proof right here. Again, we've gone over this. So why should we use that? Okay, Max struggled for a while. Then he got the fire hose traffic. Why TikTok? I've gone over that. Why this product? I've gone over that. And we've got some proof that Max does know what he's doing. He's been on the top of leaderboards as well. Here's some more financial proof and some more viral video proof as well. More financial proof. Now, this is cool. Once you're got a pretty good following with TikTok, you will be getting companies finding you, searching you out, and paying you to make a 30-second or a 1-minute video promoting their product. $150, okay? $100 for a 35 to 40-second video of just you talking about their product. It's fantastic. So there's really more than one way that you can monetize your TikTok channel. So this is really fantastic. Guys, I'm not going to spend much more time on this. You can check this out, like I say. Now, for the price, I only have the price for the front end. That is $11. Plus, you're going to get all my bonuses and my mega bonus bundle and their bonuses. I'm not sure what the other bonuses, how much they are. But the one that did intrigue me was the OTO number 1, okay? Because that one you're going to be saving a lot of time and you're going to be growing exponentially faster. Even though you're using these strategies for the front end, the OTO one, you are going to go faster. So it's a matter of you if you want to if you want to shorten your time and get these leads, get these endorsements, get monetizing your channel. Everybody's got their own kind of timeline. You might want to go faster and get that one. If not, front end will eventually get you there as well. Okay. The other ones, I will leave those to your discretion. All right, so just remember, guys, it goes live very shortly, June 8th at 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, front end of $11, plus you're going to be getting my bonuses, your phone into an ATM machine, your email, very simple way to get emails, how to get the Google Chrome extension for Instagram and Pinterest, make money with crypto without having to invest or speculate. Give this to you for free. Just drop me some proof of purchase and I'll gladly get that to you. My bonus bundle, their bonuses. And like I said, you've still got plenty of time to do that. All right. So guys, this wraps up my review on TikTok Revolution. So Max is a friend of mine. I like what he does. He's had many other products in the past. James has also had products in the past as well. Both of them are reputable in this affiliate marketing industry. So I think you're going to be okay. And if you do have any questions, drop them in the comment. And if you got value, please give me a like and hit that notification so you're always up to date. And if you want to make $1,000 to $5,000 days, check out my link in the YouTube banner at the top there, 1K to 5K free training. There's a 14-minute video in there that's going to show you how to get started. All right, my friends, thank you very much for your time. I appreciate it. Appreciate you watching, and best of luck on your journey. Talk to you soon.